Wildfires are getting faster, hotter, and harder to predict, but scientists may finally have a breakthrough. Researchers at the University of Bradford are testing a futuristic team of robotic dogs, drones, and 6G networks to detect wildfires before flames even appear. These four-legged robots patrol the landscape, scanning for heat and smoke, while drones watch from above. All the data flows instantly through ultra-fast 6G links. If the system senses early danger, it sends an alert to emergency teams within seconds. Next year, this technology will be tested in Greece as part of a major EU project called 6G Versus. Dr. Kamran Maruf says the goal is simple: act early, stop fires faster, and save forests, homes, and lives. From West Yorkshire to wildfire-prone regions worldwide, fire services already use drones and mapping tools, but AI-powered robotic patrols could become the next evolution in wildfire protection. A future where technology becomes the first responder might be nearer than we think.